Natin tawad sa handok siya ba siya?
All welcome to the parade of Halloween costumes.
So, may afternoon sa tanan. So, ako po acknowledge si Kong Baba for being here sa atong event. So, on this day, let us make Halloween exciting and fun for children. Halloween teaches us to face our fears and enjoy creativity. And here at IBT Integrated Bus Terminal, let's enjoy our magic shows and games prepared by our fairies. No, ating mga assistants na to. And special are our awaited part, trick or treat, from stalls, vendors, restaurants, vans, and buses. Just say the magic word, trick or treat, then the magic of sweets, treats begins. It is a fun-filled celebration that brings joy, laughter, and togetherness. So let's enjoy this Halloween with safety, fun, and kindness. From all of us, IBT family, we welcome you all. Happy Halloween and enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Jonathan. Thank you, sir. So at this juncture, guys, kasi ganahan of prize